All right, let's do an ice bath. Just start the timer. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about ice baths. I'm going to share with you how easy it is to set this up and relatively inexpensive. So you could do it if you want to. And I'm also going to cover the benefits of doing this. So this is the fourth one that I've done. And each time it gets a little easier. I'm going to explain one of the benefits is overcoming the fear of doing it. So that's what's coming up. And stick around, because at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you what is, for me, the number one benefit of sitting in this freaking ice water for 10 minutes. Hey everybody, it's Jay Crater with the RideShare Guy, and I won't be drinking any coffee at my this morning. I am, as you can see, in an ice bath. And by way of background, for a long time now I've been taking cold showers. So what that means is at the end of my shower, I do 5 minutes of alternating between hot and cold. And it really wakes me up in the morning and really makes me feel good. So then I thought, well, I should really try the ice bath. And 4 weeks ago, I took my first one. I'm going to explain to you how I got this set up and what that was like. So that's background. So let's get into how to set this sort of a thing up. Okay, so I'm about 2 minutes in now. Normally what I do is I take a minute or so and just kind of breathe into the discomfort of this. Mostly it's my hands that hurt at first. It really helps to do it on a sunny day because you can get the sun shining on your face, and that kind of makes you feel warm, even though 99% of your body is submerged in 45-degree ice water. So how do you set something like this up? Well, I looked at all sorts of options, and I thought, I don't know how much I'm going to do this. I just want to try it. So for way under $100, you can set something like this up. So this blue tub, I'll show you what it looks like on Amazon, was $65. And then I spent like $10 on the thermometer, and I already had a timer that I use in the shower, so I didn't have to buy a timer, but I think it's less than $10. So what's that, 65, 75, $85, yeah. So, and then you buy a bag of ice. My bag of ice is a 20-pound bag of ice, and it costs $7 at Rayleigh's. So that's it. And then you need water. So just water from the hose. Some people use these inside their showers, and they let it fill up with warm water so that they can take a bath when they don't have one. But I do it outside, and yeah. So that's the setup. I fill it about 2/3 with water. I throw half the bag of ice in, let it cool the water for about 10 minutes. Then I throw the other half of the bag in, and then I get in. As you can see, there's still ice, and it slowly melts over time, because unless the water was frozen, the ice will melt. So that's how you set it up. So just going to catch my breath here. So benefits. So one of the benefits is you have kind of a spiritual experience. Everything sort of slows down. Like right now I'm looking at a beautiful tree. You can hear the birds chirping. I don't know if my heart slows down because of the cold. I'm not a scientist or a body expert, but I can tell you experientially, it's pretty wonderful once you get used to the cold to just sort of take it all in. Sort of like an appreciation of life. So that's one benefit. Now there are a whole bunch of physical benefits, and I'm going to put something on the screen, which I'm going to read to you now. This is the first time I've read from an ice bath. Okay, so what you're seeing on the screen says an ice bath is a therapeutic technique that involves immersing the body in ice water for a short period of time. While the practice may seem daunting, it has been known to provide numerous health benefits. For instance, an ice bath can help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after intense workouts of physical activity. It can also improve circulation, reduce swelling, and promote healing of injured tissues. Additionally, an ice bath can help decrease stress and anxiety, improve mood, and increase alertness. However, it's important to note that ice baths should be used in moderation and under the supervision of a healthcare professional to avoid any potential risk or adverse effects. So I didn't consult with any experts, any doctors. It just seemed like a no-brainer since I was already doing the the cold showers. So what I notice is I feel super great when I get out, right? I'm very cold and I'm going to start shivering here pretty soon. And then when I get out, I continue to shiver. One of the keys is don't go take a hot shower afterwards. Let your body naturally adjust to what it's experienced and warm itself up naturally. That's the best way to get the most out of it. So the biggest benefit is that you're going to confront your fears. I don't know how many of you have ever done an initiation ritual, but what's common among initiation rituals is you're confronting something that you're incredibly afraid of, and you take action, either because you're being watched or because you're committed or other guys or women are doing it also. You're part of a group. But you have this fear, and then you take action and you do the thing you're most afraid of. And I, for my whole life, have been I don't like the cold. Part of the reason I want to go live in Thailand is it's always warm there. So for me, doing this, I have to have an incredible amount of discipline to get into it because I don't like the cold. So doing it now 4 times, it kind of boosts my self-confidence. It makes me feel like I'm a pretty disciplined dude doing what I said I was going to do. You know, the saying, the way you do anything in life is the way you do everything in life. So that's been the biggest benefit, that I had this fear and I went ahead and I did it. And I'm doing it every Thursday. This is the 4th one. And I don't intend to stop because I don't think I'll ever, I'm getting so much benefit from it. So there's no real reason to stop. Okay, we're 8 minutes in. So what happens after a while is your body kind of gets numb and you can feel the sun on your face. I don't know that matters, but you don't feel cold anymore. In fact, it's kind of a warm feeling. Wim Hof, who the first person I know that does stuff like this, he's called the Iceman. I'll put his name on the screen so you can look him up if you want. He also does some amazing breathing work, but I lost my train of thought. That happens in the ice bath. Thinking doesn't seem so important. You just want to kind of take everything in. I don't remember what I was talking about. Anyway, so that's the biggest benefit. So key takeaways. It doesn't cost very much to set it up. $65. Wait, let me do it right. Key takeaways. Doesn't cost very much to set it up. You may think you're crazy to even be doing it, but I guarantee you do it once, you're going to feel amazing. You're going to feel like you could conquer the world and do anything that you set your mind to, and that's pretty great. And if you have an aching body like I do from rideshare driving, it's really good for that. My shoulder feels better after I do this. My knees feel better after I do this. So there are definitely some benefits physically, in addition to incredible mental benefits. If you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to have you. If you like the video, give it a like, please. I'm freezing my ass off for you here. That helps the algorithm. And go out and have a great day. Go tell someone you love them, surprise them, make their week, make their month, make their year. We don't say that enough, in my humble opinion. Go out and have a great day. Be safe out there. Bye for now.